Matron County in west central New Mexico until 10:45 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 9:41 p.m. Mountain Dangerous Squall was located along a line extending from 8 miles south of San Mateo to 23 miles north of Dettle, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: poor visibility in snow and blowing snow. Wind gusts greater than 30 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Dangerous life-threatening travel. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 91 and 130. Locations impacted include Laguna Pueblo, Acoma Pueblo, Cabero, Spolatita, Mesita, McCarty's, Marquez, Skyline Ganapa, New Laguna, and San Fidel. Slow down and turn on headlights. The visibility will turn in whiteout conditions. The National Weather Service